We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We release the screws from the top of the device. This is the external antenna. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the two coaxial antennas. We remove the screw. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.